We got good news and we got bad news. I'm a bad news first kind of guy. So we're starting with that. We ran into 3 separate issues on our way to getting the Four Seasons panels installed into the lantern. The good news is Grizzly Ingenuity kicks in and solves all the problems. My heart sank so hard when I first saw the summer panel not fit the door. I heard a thud. But we've come too far to stop now. There were 2 options. Trim off some of the top of the panel, which would have been super sketchy, or modify the door to let the panel fit. Yeah, we modified the door. Of course, once the panel was in place, there weren't any bare metal spots for the door to solder to. How convenient. So we grinded off more paint from inside the door to make sure it could fit securely. In hindsight, issue number 3 can also be found at this time, but it was unbeknownst to me. But for now, issue number 2 solved. We're moving on. Lastly, issue number 3. The solder was barely sticking to the panels, which taught me something new today. I assumed you could heat through the patina on the zinc, which you can do with solder.
Jesus.
Could you imagine if that panel broke right then? That was a close one, ladies and gentlemen. Ace Ventura, what's up? Sorry, back to it. I assumed you could heat through the patina on the zinc, which you can do with solder. But that's not the case. The flux and heat don't work the same when it's applied to zinc. So I had to get steel wool and sand off all the patina that got onto the sides of the panels before I could solder the remaining panels in place. The more you know. I wanted to record me installing the rest of the panels, but with each panel added, there was increasingly less visibility I had to work with. There was no way you'd be getting decent camera angles considering I had to feed solder through the hole in the bottom of the lantern just to solder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas yesterday. And to all my Canadian and UK friends out there, happy Boxing Day. If you're in the US, don't look up the origins of Boxing Day. It's definitely a British thing. Be sure to hit the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass get created one process at a time. Thankfully, all panels were installed. So tomorrow, we wrap up the lantern project by testing out internal lighting. And there's a winner.